Yes. Good morning, good day, good evening, good night, guys. My name is still Siphesihle Musawenkosi Mpembe, guys. I am back, guys, on your favorite channel. Your online teacher is here, guys. Go call your kids and tell them that, guys, your online teacher is here. Get a pen and a paper. Sit down, guys, and relax because you are going to enjoy the lesson for today. So, guys, thank you very much, guys, for liking my videos, for sharing my videos. Even though, guys, the channel is still small, it's a very young channel, guys. But, guys, those people who are showing support, they actually say to me, please move forward. Please keep on sharing the content that you are sharing with us. In this channel, guys, we are simple. This is just a simple channel where, guys, I just teach the foundation of English. I just teach, guys, what I call the basic educational language concept in isolation. So, guys, this is a young channel, but, guys, I strongly believe, guys, that because of your subscription, because of your liking these videos, because of sharing these videos, this is going to go viral, guys. So, guys, make sure that, guys, you call your kids, you call everybody, guys, to watch this channel. So, with that being said, guys, let's just get down to today's business, guys. So today, guys, we are talking about an adverb. We are talking about an adverb, guys. But before we go there, I just want to give you a bit of encouragement. In life, you need to find your purpose. Very successful people in this world are the people who have discovered what is it that they were born for. What is it that they were born to do? So once you discover that, once you find that, let me tell you something, your life will never be boring. Your life will be exciting. You'll enjoy each and every minute of your life because you are doing exactly what you were born for. So for you to be successful, go find, do not search on Google or wherever, but this thing is within you. Go and do the self-introspection. Go and have a meeting with yourself. Go and have an identity that is inside you. And once you found that, I can assure you, you will see your life moving from the position where you think things could not happen to the position where things are happening. So with that being said, guys, let us get down to the adverbs as we are talking about today. So, guys, today, guys, we are talking about an adverb, right? Last time, guys, I spoke to you about a noun and an adjective, and I said these two, they work together. So in the same way, when we are talking about an adverb, right, you cannot talk about an adverb where the verb is nowhere to be found. So for you to be able to speak about an adverb, for you to identify an adverb in a sentence, definitely sure there must be a verb, right? So we said what is a verb because before we speak about an adverb, we must first explain exactly what a verb is. So when we talk about a verb, last time I said to you, a verb is a doing way. So you go to the second video that I made on this channel and you'll find exactly what a verb is. But to recap, a verb is a doing way. A verb is a word in which you call and there is a movement or an action, there is a shake that is taking place when you call that way. Now, what is an adverb? An adverb now is a word that tells us more about a verb. An adverb is a word that describes a verb. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb. So, an adverb is actually telling us how that thing is being done, where the thing is being done, how, when that particular thing is being done, why that thing is being done, how often, how much of that thing is being done. So when you talk of an adverb, you are actually telling us how that particular thing is being done. So you are actually being able to separate the way people are doing things. Are we still together? So someone will run fast and the other person will run slowly. So the word slowly is actually telling us how this particular person runs, right? So another one will run often, right? So the word often is actually telling us how much this particular person is running. So the word often is actually describing, is actually telling us how this particular person does what he does. So it's very much important to be able to identify, to be able to see what this person is doing and how this particular person is doing what he is doing. So now, to recap, we are just saying an adverb is a word that describes a noun. I mean, it's the word that describes a verb. It's a word that modifies a verb. It's a word that actually separates one person from the rest, separates how this person does this thing from the other person. So that word is actually giving us a clear identification. For example, if I am looking at people doing things, you'll find out that these people are doing things differently. They are doing the same thing, but they do it differently. So this word that describe how this person is doing that particular thing, those words are called verbs. So those words are the words that describe how a particular person is doing what he is doing. And those words are called verbs. So that's the lesson for today, guys. We are talking about an adverb. An adverb is a word that describes a verb. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb. An adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb. It describes how, when, and where, and why that particular person does what he does. So with that, guys, thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video. You can see, guys, these videos of mine, they are very short. They go straight to the point. May God bless you. See you on the next video. Thank you.